Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the wireless antenna cables for later replacement. Caution. Use care when disconnecting the wireless antenna cables from the system board. A damaged cable or connector can degrade tablet performance. Carefully disconnect the right wireless antenna cable from the system board by grasping the connector with a small pair of needle nose pliers or tweezers. Remove the right wireless antenna cable from the routing channel and retention tape that secure it to the display enclosure. Peel back the metallic shielding that secures the right wireless antenna to the heatsink. Carefully separate the right wireless antenna transceiver from the adhesive that secures it to the right speaker. Remove the right wireless antenna. The left wireless antenna is removed in the same manner. Replacement. Place the right wireless antenna transceiver into position on the right speaker and apply pressure to adhere it into place. Replace the metallic shielding that secures the right wireless antenna to the heatsink. Guide the right wireless antenna cable through the routing channel on the display enclosure and replace the retention tape. Connect the right wireless antenna cable to the system board. Caution. Use care when connecting the wireless antenna cables to the system board. A damaged cable or connector can degrade tablet performance. The left wireless antenna is replaced in the same manner.